Very good morning, students. So, students, in the last video, as we have discussed, till question number 6. So, today we have to start here question number 7 of exercise 5.3. So, let's see here. Question number 7 is telling here find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is given 149. So find the sum of first 22 terms. Sum of first 22 terms. That means what we will write down here. First 22 terms. Yes, 22. That means question marks. This question is asking here. Find the sum of first 22 terms. After that, in which D is given here 7. D common difference is given here 7. And 22 terms, 22nd terms is 149. So 22nd terms, that means A22 is equal to how much? 149. This much is given here. So now we have to solve it here as 22 we have to find out here. So now student, let's see here how we can solve this question. So yes, 22 is given. So D is here and A22 is given. So first we will expand this one. So yes, 22 is equal to how much? SL formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Use this one. So how much you will get here? 22 by 2 n by 2 2a plus n minus 1, that means 22 minus 1 21 into D, that means 7. This much we will get here. So now it will become how much? 11 and this one is 2a plus, just multiply this one. So how much you will get here? 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. So 147 will get this one. So my friends, we can't proceed further here because we are not knowing the value of A. So we have to find out the value of A. So how we can calculate this value A? So let's see here. Something more it is given here, we will find out from here. So A22, so I expected this one, how much you will get here? A plus 22 minus 1, that means 21 into D is equal to how much? 149. So now A plus 21 into D, how much? 7 is equal to how much? 149. So now 7 multiplied with this 21. So 147 we will get here. So A plus 147 is equal to how much? 149. So now 147 take it on RHS side. So A is equal to 149 minus 147 is equal to how much you will get? 2. So now students, we have got here the value of 2. So whenever we have got the value of 2, so directly we have to substitute there. So we have to put it here. So how much you will get here? 11. Just multiply it here by 2. 2 to the 4 because its A value is 2 from here. So 2 to the 4 plus 147. So now 11 into, just added this one. So how much you will get here? 151. 151. So now students, we have to multiply it here 151 with 11. So 11 was the 11 5 is the 55 and 1, that means 56. 5 carry. 11 1 is 11 and 5, that means 16. So 1661 we are getting here answer. So now students, I hope you have understood this one. Very simple question it was. So now we will proceed here next question, question number 7. So now students, let's see here question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8, it is telling here find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. That means what we have to find out here? As 51 terms is equal to how much? Question marks. So after that, whose second term and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Whose second term and third term? That means A second term is equal to 14. And third term is 18. A3 is equal to how much? 18. So this much is here equations, and we have to substitute here. So students, first as 51 we will expand it this one. So what we need the value here? We first expanded this one, then we will get an idea okay, what we have to do it here further. So as 51, just use it here formula. As 51 is equal to how much? 51 by 2. 2a plus 51 minus 1 into d. So how much you will get? 50d. So we will get this much. So now students, what we can do it here? 2 we can get it common from these two terms. Take it 2 outside. And that 2 it can be cancelled from numerator and denominator. So how much you will get here? 51. And a plus 25d. So once again students, I am explaining here. Just we have taken the 2 common from these two terms. So 2 we have got outside, so it will remain here a, and 50 we have taken 2 common, so we will get here 25d. So that 2 outside it, and these two numerators and denominator 2 can be cancelled. So how much you will get? 51. 51 into a plus 25d we have got it here. So now we can't proceed here until we can't get the value of a and d. So first we have to find out the value of a and d. So for getting the value of a and d, two equations we will get it here. So let's proceed these equations. So a2 is equal to 14, it is given here. A2 means what? A plus d. So a plus d is equal to how much? 14. One equation we have got here. A3 is equal to 18. A3 means what? A plus 2d. So a plus 2d is equal to how much? 18. So now students, you have to subtract these portions. Minus and minus. These can be cancelled. So it will be also negative. So d minus 2d, how much you will get? Minus d is equal to 14 minus 18, how much you will get? Minus 4. So negative and negative can be cancelled. So d is equal to 4 we have got here. So now students, we have got the value of d is equal to 4. We can substitute anywhere, either in this equation or in second equation. We will get the value of a. So as our convenient, just d is equal to 4, just I am putting here, because directly I will subtract it here, I will get 10 here. So d is equal to 4, put it here, and that 4 taken on RHS side. So 14 minus 4 you will get 10. So a value how much we are getting? 10. So a is equal to how much? 10 we have got here. So now students, a is equal to 10, d is equal to 4, we will substitute in this equation. So how much you will get here? 51 into a is equal to 10 plus 25 into 4. So 25 into 4, just directly we can do it here. 25 4 we will get here 100. So 100 plus this much, how much you will get here? 51 into 110. So now students, what we have to do it here? Again we have to do it here multiplication. So multiplication. So this 0 you will get here, and 11 1 the 11, carry 1, 11 by the 55 plus 1, that means 16. So 1610 you will get your answer. So I hope you have understood this one also. Very simple question it was. So now we will proceed here. Next questions. So students, you will get here 5, because 11 1 the 11, carry 1, 11 by the 55, 55 plus 1, how much you will get here? That means 56. So you will get here 56, 5610, this much is our answer. So now we will proceed here next questions. So now student, let's see here question number 9. In question number 9, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, that means S7 is equal to how much? 49. And that of 17 term is 289. That means S17 terms 289. Find the sum of first n terms. That means what we have to find out here, Sn is equal to how much? Sum of n terms. So now student, let's see here how we can solve this question. Generally it is given here as S7 49 and S17 289, and we have to calculate here Sn. So now what we can do it here, S7 formula as we are knowing, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just using this one. So 7 by 2. So how much you will get here? 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that means 6d is equal to how much? 49. As we are taking here a is the first term and d is the common difference in all the questions. So after that what we have to do it here? So we have to expand this 17 also. So just we can get it 2 common from these terms and take it outside. So what we will get here? 7 in the bracket a plus 3d is equal to how much? 49. And this 7 will go in division. So 7 7 is 49. So this 7 is as we have done in the division. So we have got this equation a plus 3d. Keep it as it is. So now S17 we will expand it here. So S17 can be written here what? You may make it here as equation number first. So S17, that means 17 by 2 and just 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 17 minus 1 into d, how much you will get? 16d is equal to how much? 289. So now students, what we have to do it here? Just take it 2 common from these terms and take it outside. These 2 and these 2 can be cancelled. So 17 and how much you will get here? A plus 8b is equal to this 17. It will go in the division. So how much you will get here? 17 only. And this 17 as we have done in the division. So my get this one as equation number second. So now by solving equation number first and second, we can calculate the value of a and d. So just subtract the equation first. That means equation second minus equation first. Equation first we are subtracting from equation second. So equation second is here a plus 8d is equal to 17. And this one a plus 3d is equal to how much? 7. Just subtract it minus minus minus. It can be cancelled. 8d minus 3d, how much you will get? 5d is equal to 17 minus 7, that means 10. So now 5 will go in the division. So we will get here d is equal to 2. So d is equal to 2 we have got here. So now students, as we have got the value of this common difference d, so we can substitute either in equation first or in equation second. We will get our answers a. We will get the value of a. So let's see here, putting the value of d in equation number first. This one is the equation number first. So how much you will get here? D is equal to 2. So 3 to the 6. Take it on RHS side, that's 6. So 7 minus 6 you will get 1. So a value how much we are getting here? A is equal to 1. So now as we have got the value of a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2. So now we will substitute here. We will get the value of Sn. So Sn formula is there. Using that formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2, we are not knowing the value of n. Keep it as it is. So n by 2 into a value how much? 1, so 2 1 are 2 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 into d. D value is 2. So put it here, you will get how much? 2n minus 2. And plus 2 minus 2 can be cancelled. Now 2n is remaining here and 2 is here. So that 2 and that 2 can be also cancelled. So n into 1, n. In multiplication, how much you will get here? N square. So Sn is equal to n square. So this much is our answer. So now students, in the same way we will proceed here next questions. Question number 10. So students, let's see here question number 10. Question number 10, it is telling here, so that A1, A2, so on AN forms an AP. That means A1 is also A2, A3, A4, A5 and AN. So forms an AP. All these terms are in AP. So where AN is defined as below. So first term AN, first term AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. And second it is defined as AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. This much is given here. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each cases. In each cases means we have to find out S15 on this term also and S15 on this term also. So S15 is equal to question mark for the first part and S15 is also question mark. S15 is also question mark for the second part. So now students, let's see here how we can solve it here first part. So as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, all these terms are given in AP. So what we can do it here? We can use it here A1. So as we are putting the value of n, take it here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So how much you will get here? A1. That means first term you will get here A1. And A1 is equal to how much you will get here? N is equal to 1. So 4 plus 3, how much you will get? 7. So first term is 7. In the same way we can calculate here A2 also. A2. So how much you will get here? 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3, 11. In the same way we can calculate here A3 also. So A3, that is 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So 15 we have got here. So students, as in the question it is given here A1 and A2, A3 are in AP. So you may check it here also. 7, 11 and 15. This sequence R is also in AP. In the same way you can calculate here 7, 11, 15 and so on. So you are getting the form of AP only. You can find out common difference same. D is equal to 11 minus 7, how much you will get? 4. In the same way 15 minus 11, how much you will get? 4. So common difference we are getting same. And first term we have got here 7. So as 15 we can calculate here. As 15 can be calculated here 15 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1, that means 15 minus 1, how much you will get? 14 into d, how much it is? 4. So now we have to put the value of a and d. So you may take it to common from this side. So that two numerators and denominator can be cancelled. You will get 15 a plus 7d. A value how much? A value is 7. So 7 plus 7 into d, 7 into 4, 28. And just added this one. So how much you will get here? 15 into just 28 plus 7. So how much you will get? 35. 35. Just 35 into 15. We have to do the multiplications. Then we will get the answers. So So 35 into 15 we will get here 525. So 525, 525. So this much is our answers. So now students, in the same way, we can do it here, this part also, that means AN. So second part, first part we have completed. In the same way, students, you can complete your second part also. So if there is any problem, then ask. Either let's see here. So A1 how much you will get here? That means 9 minus 5 you will get here 4. A2 how much you will get here? 5 to the 10. So 9 minus 10 minus 1 you will get here. So now D value we can calculate here. D value can be calculated second term minus first term. Second term is minus 1 and minus 4. So common difference will get here minus 5. So now what we can do it here, as 15 we need here, so as 15 can be calculated here, 15 by 2, 2a, a value how much? 4, so 4 to the 8, plus n minus 1, that means 15 minus 1 how much? 14, into d how much? Minus 5, so keep it this one minus 5 and close the bracket. So now you might take it here 2 common from the denominators. If you take the 2 common from the denominator, from this one, not denominator, from this bracket, so these numerators and denominator 2 can be cancelled. So how much you will get here? 15. So, and how much you will get here? 4 plus 7 into 5 you will get. 7 5 is 35. Just negative sign 35. So now 35, 4 minus 35 minus 31. So 15 minus 31. So now students will get here negative sign. So negative. So 15 1 the 15, 5 will get here and carry 1. So again 15 3 the 45, 45 plus 1, 46. So 465 we are getting our answers. So minus 465. So this much is our answers.